Hi, this is Deborah, and today I am making some Valentine's soap. I've named this soap Chocolate, Roses, and Hearts. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I hope you enjoy this video. Heart soap. It smells amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this, and hopefully it will cut good here. And there you have it. This is chocolate and beautiful soap. I didn't get a chance, my camera cut off before I could pipe the leaves on. So I went ahead and piped them on. And I did make these roses from scratch. They're not the best roses, but I hand did them. I used to make cakes a long time ago, but I couldn't remember when time to pipe this soap. It was a little bit different. But once I got the hang of it, I had already made the roses. It was like, oh, now I got it. But I've already made them. But anyway, this came out really good. I'm really happy with it. I will put the in the description box the fragrance and where I got my Mica from. It smells, oh, it smells so good. The fragrance I used in this is called Amber Romance Type. Okay. So, I didn't quite get the hearts lined up the way I really wanted them, but hopefully there's some left on. It's kind of different. Smells really good. So I'm really pleased with how this soap came out. I actually did two loaves of it, so getting ready for Valentine's Day. Okay. See if I can just line it up just a little bit more. And there you have it. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells really good. Like I said, I actually piped the chocolate roses myself. And I'm pretty pleased. I'm not sure why this piece keeps flipping away. My husband had looked at it and said probably just didn't make it quite accurate. So that's a problem right there. Hopefully I've tightened it and it still kind of pop up. So, hope we can get that straightened out there. That's the top of it. Just put it back just a little bit more there. Yeah, so when I really started getting better at piping, it was almost too late, and I had actually piped smaller ones, and I was like, oh, I've got all these big roses, and I really didn't need them that big. But I should have just practiced a little bit more before I actually did that. But you know, once you're working with soap, you know, you only have so many windows that you work with, because you do have to pipe it. So let's see how I'm going to do this. I think I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. And I will keep this one. Let's see. There we go. So I can leave the hearts on there. Just a little bit smaller. Give that away or something. But anyway, this is what it looks like. And this is my chocolate roses and hearts. So thank you for watching this video. I do have more videos coming. I just got to get them available. So thank you so much and have an awesome and a blessed day. Bye now.